everyone, welcome to my channel Homemade. Today I am going to prepare pizza with rice base. For this recipe I'll use leftover cooked rice and no yeast, flour or baking soda. Also, there's no need to prepare any dough. Let's get started. Take about 2 cups of cooked rice in a mixing jar. Here I have used leftover rice. You may use freshly cooked rice also. Add around 2/3 cup of water gradually while mixing. Make a smooth paste. It may not be very smooth. Transfer it to a mixing bowl. Adjust the consistency of the paste, neither too thick nor very flowy. Add salt to taste. A pinch of sugar. You may skip adding sugar. 1 egg. You can add 1 boiled and mashed potato instead of an egg. Here, egg or potato acts as a binding agent. Half teaspoon black salt. Mix them together. Add half teaspoon baking powder. Mix them well for 2 more minutes. Cover and keep aside. For vegetables, I have used onion, capsicum and corn. You may use any other vegetables of your choice. Add 2 teaspoon oil in a heated pan and swirl the pan for oil to spread all over it. Sprinkle some cumin seeds all over the pan and let them splatter. Pour half of the batter on the pan. Cover and cook in low flame for around 12 minutes on one side. After 12 minutes, open the cover. The top surface has dried. Now check if the bottom is done. Drizzle some oil on the top surface and flip it. Add 1 tablespoon of pizza sauce on the base and spread it evenly. Add diced or grated mozzarella cheese and the chopped vegetables. Cover and cook again for 15 minutes in low flame. You may fry the pizza base for a longer time for making it crispy. Open the cover after 15 minutes. When it is completely cooked, transfer it to a plate and sprinkle some oregano or pizza herbs. Our cheesy pizza is ready to be eaten. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thank you.